Imagine this. What if in just 1 month from now, you started earning 50k weekly as a student by learning graphic design with your mobile phone? Per design charge is within 5 to 10k depending on your mastery and competence. 5 times 10 is equals to 50k. Imagine designing for 10 clients or more than within 1 week. Who I am. I am GoodNews Gb, a training psychologist. I have been able to train many graphic designers through my course and live sections, own a YouTube channel of about 6,370 subscribers. As at recording this video, from beggarly to financial stability through graphic design. What graphic design is not? 1. Graphic design is not affiliate marketing where you have to sell to make money. Graphic design is not e-commerce or dropshipping that is difficult to sell your products. Graphic design is beyond site hustle. Who this course is for? 1. Fresh graduates and students. 2. Corporate. 3. Pastors. 4. Stay-at-home parents. And 5. Employees. What do I need to start? No laptop, no referral, no physical shop, just your mobile phone. What is graphic design? Graphic design is the act or practice of turning information into visuals with the help of graphic design elements. Who is a graphic designer? A graphic designer is a visual problem solver, a communicator who turns ideas into visuals for easy readability and clarity of information communication. Here are some of the samples of the design that were achieved with my mobile phone. So this is what you will gain at the end, and this is what you will become at the end of this course. So here are the testimonies from the course. These are reviews from people that bought the course. These are payments received from my students who actually bought the course. Why graphic design? 1. Is a skill that cannot be taken from you. 2. You don't need to show your face on social media. 2 options. 1. Acquire a skill now while in school and become financially stable. 2. Say no or it's a scam and regret later. Method of payment. Seller. For countries outside Nigeria, link in video description. 2. Message me on WhatsApp.